Alright, so I got my Ubiquity point-to-point antennas that I'm going to be using to share internet from. I'm going to put it up on that pole. Gonna probably trim that tree down a bit to go towards the shop. Alright, this was delivered today. I'm gonna pause this real quick. No, I'm not. I got the Airmax Gigabeam 60 gigahertz models with a 5 gigahertz backup antenna and 2 surge protectors. Oh boy. Alright. Beautiful. Got a decent amount of weight to it. Yep. So you get a PoE injector, obviously the mounting tools, and a power cable for your PoE injector. 24 volt PoE. Obviously this provides the power, and then you do your input. Here's the antenna. Alright, well, this is just a quick unboxing video. And I need to order some cable and stuff next. Pretty pumped. I've had crappy internet for most of my life, which is coming from that antenna up there, which is operating on the 900 megahertz range. And the fastest speed test I've ever gotten was about 2.3 megabits down and about 1.8 megabits up. Generally it chills around 1 up and 1 down. But alright, stay tuned. I'm going to try to record some of this installation process. First time I've ever done anything like this, so hopefully it goes smoothly. TechMaster 170 out.